Gaensel Energy Group is a publicly traded international diversified holding company, which has been in business since 2002. And with me is Maria Bomboi, the president of the company. To update us again, Maria, great to have you back. And I think we talked about a month ago. So can you tell me any updates over that time? How's the company doing?
Hi, Jane, and happy to be here again. Well, in Gaensel, we are very excited with the development of our businesses and future growth. In addition to reviewing growth opportunities in our existing companies, we are exploring new opportunities. In this past months, we have retained a PCAOB accounting firm who can assist in completing audited financial statements. Additionally, we have a new entry, and it is Simon Paolo Bongiardino. It's the Executive Vice President of Italian Confcommercio. In other words, it's the Italian organism that represents 700,000 companies engaged in trade, tourism, and services.
So, and I noticed you also filed your second quarter results. So can you kind of summarize what the second quarter was like for you?
Well, yes, in early July, we filed our second quarter report and financial statements with the OTC markets in the United States. Our second quarter income statements reported over 20 million of US dollars in the gross revenues and net income of over 13 million US dollars. So we are pleased with the continued development of our commodities sector, our biotech sector, our information tech sector, and also our agriculture and CBD division.
Mm-hmm. And then also you mentioned, oh, go ahead, finish.
No, our coffee, no, it's very important, this one. It's our coffee brand has now expanded from Italy into Austria and counts now 49 flagship stores and franchising. And our stem cell group in Switzerland has started expansion into the United States and Canada. So yes, we are very pleased with this second quarter results and the institution of the necessary components for the core development of our parent company.
Now, you mentioned quickly the Public Accounting Oversight Board. So what does that mean for Gaensel Energy?
Well, yes, it has been the intent since the group participation began with the Gaensel Energy in early 2020. First, our goal was to develop assets and revenue in the company. And now that this has achieved and the newly structured board of directors structure with a PCAOB audit, the company can mature into a fully reporting U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission reporting company. Additionally, we have had a strong support provided by financial partners in Europe to potentially dual list the company on other exchanges in Europe to expand our shareholder base.
And then we also talked about the private placement memorandum at the last interview. Where does that stand? Are there any updates on that?
Thanks for asking. This month has been quite busy for the release of our 20 million US dollars of private placement. We were participants with Wall Street Reporter as sponsor at two investment and family office events in Beverly Hills, Santa Monica. Last week, we were invited and have presented at the Alternative Investing Forum in Las Vegas. And the results of these three meetings have been excellent with potential investor of our private placement. Our advisors feel that the PPM should begin receiving the funds for closing in the next 60 days.
Mm-hmm. And then we're hard to believe, but kind of headed toward the final stretch of summer here. What is ahead, would you say, for Gaensel Energy as we head into the end of the summer and for the rest of 2021?
Mm-hmm. As I had mentioned, we are engaged in final discussion with two groups which potentially could add 4 solid renewable energy projects and a United States-based company, which could combine with our flower medical, CBD, and hemp medical products, expanding into the United States and in Europe. We are comfortable that our shareholders will be pleased with our third quarter results.
Okay. And then what about beyond the third quarter? Where do you think Gaensel Energy will be in the next couple of years?
Well, you know that Gaensel is the future. So we are all hoping this deadly coronavirus pandemic situation can be placed under control. So we have been very optimistic over the past 3 months. And as you can see, for our second quarter, everyone is excited to return to normal. So we at Gaensel are cautiously optimistic, both the United States and the world can return to normal business.
Yeah, let's hope so. We're getting there, but it's slow. So thank you so much, Maria, and I look forward to another update soon.
Thank you, Jean. Bye.
Bye.